What are you looking at? That's right. A triangle. What kind of triangle? You know what? Okay, let me label this one, okay? So, let me label just like this. How about 12 inches right here, okay? So, 12 inches, and 12 inches, and 12 inches. What kind of triangle? That's right. Equilateral triangle, right? Equilateral. Okay, now, we have, every triangle, they have a center, right? They have how many different types of center? That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. Okay, first of all, I'm going to write all 4 centers, okay? So we call centroid. That's the one. Centroid. Okay. The other one is in center. We have in center. Then circumcenter. Circum. Then the other one is ortho center. Ortho. All right. But in this case, this one is what? Equilateral triangle. That's why all these centers at the same place. You know that, right? That is the center. Looks like center. All right. Now, we're going to study about this one, okay? Okay, from the center, so I'm going to put this one. Okay, the thing is right here, okay, main thing is we're going to find out what is the length of, okay, this height, okay, from this one to the base, okay. Let's find that one out first, okay. So, first of all, so I'm going to add more lines, okay, just like this, from this point to that, okay, from this one to that, okay. So, alright, actually, we have a few different ways to prove this one, but hey, I can use this technique right here. Okay, so, okay, I just put one line from here, so, okay, I just add dotted line, okay. Then, look at this bottom triangle, big one, and only this triangle right here, okay, so this triangle. How you get this area? You can use this one as the base, but actually base is going to be half of this one, which is 6. Okay, still that can be base. Also this one on the top. Okay, in other words, just like this one. Okay, so we have, okay, some kind of a triangle like this. Okay, then the area can be like this. Okay, we treat this one like a base. This one going to be height. Okay, so now height, which is h. So we just multiply these two numbers and divide by 2. The same thing. Alright? So then, wait a minute. Alright, I moved these two triangles out from here, one, okay, from here, this place right here. Okay, then think about it. This area right here, okay, this area, going to be, the base is 6, right? So half of 12, 6. Now, we are looking for this. We're not sure about this one, how long, okay? Then let's say this one is H. I call H. How about that? Okay, then what about this triangle? Okay, obviously base, then height, right? So height, I call this one H1. Okay, H1. Okay, this one H2. How about that? This one, the base is a 12. You know that, right? But as you see, okay, this triangle and that triangle is exactly the same shape and size, everything. So we call it congruent, right? Okay, congruent means like, okay, so the area also the same. So what is the area for this one? That's right, half of the base times height, which is h2. All right, equals. All right, the other one. Okay, how you get this area? Base times height. That's right, half. Half of base is 6 times height, which is h1. All right, wait a minute. Then, okay, we can reduce this one, right? Okay, so half and half goes away. Now 12 and 6. That's right. This is going to be gone. This is going to be 2. Oh, wait a minute. 2h2, which is, wait a minute, we can make a ratio or something. So I can move this one away. Okay, that means h1 over h2, because this was times, now divide, right? Which is 2. So 2 means 2 over 1. Now clearly you can see h1 is twice of h2. Wait a minute. So that means this one is 1, this one must be 2. Oh, then right away you know that this is really important. Okay, so we have the center. Okay, then not all triangles but equilateral triangle, right? Okay, then we have the height. Then height, we divide this one by like this one, ratio wise. This one going to be 1, this one going to be 2 ratio. That's it. Alright, so I copied exactly same triangle on your left hand side right here, okay? So then this is the same thing. Then this is going to be 6, you know that, okay? So 6 inches, whatever. Okay, it's inches right there. Okay, 6 inches. Then this is 12 inches. Wait a minute. Then also you know this one, right? Okay, so this one was a 60-degree triangle, right? Okay, because equilateral triangle means all three angles are equal. Okay, so this one was a 60. Oh, you remember 60, 30, 90-degree triangle? Oh, yes, that's right. This one is a 1, automatically this one is a 12 twice. Then this one is a what? 6 square root 3. Okay, we talked about this one many times already. Okay, so all you have to do just the short side right here, 6, then times square root 3. Then this height right there, that's the height. Okay, so again one more time. All right, okay, the base is gonna be half of this one, which is 6. Okay, then 6 square root 3 is the height. Now as I told you, this one is just 1 to 2 ratio. See, you gotta separate this one. Okay, actually divide by 3. That's gonna be right here, right? That means 6 square root 3 divided by 3, which is in this case 2 square root 3 inches, gonna be that. All right, so we can rewrite this one down. 2 square root 3. So this is gonna be how many? That's right. This is going to be 4 square root 3. See? That's twice. Yes, sometimes you deal with this equilateral triangle. Okay, sometimes you need the area for this one. So area is simply now what? Okay, that's right. The base times the height divided by 2, right? This area, okay, going to be, okay, just like this. Okay, so area is, okay, half of, okay, base, which is 12. The height was what? 6 square root 3, right? 6 square root 3. Okay, then divided by this one 2, so which is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. So 36 square root 3. Okay, square inches. Okay, that's it. All right, that's for this area. Now, sometimes you have to find out maybe the volume of this cone shape. Okay, maybe I can call this one actually cone, but actually triangular cone, or pyramid, but triangular pyramid shape, right? Okay, so now I can say this one, maybe I can put this one, let's say 12. Okay, this one 12. Okay, everywhere. Okay, 12, 12, 12. But this shape, actual name is what? 1, 2, 3, 4 faces. Okay, so actually we call 4 means a tetra. So the name of this shape is a tetrahedron. Hedron means face, right? Not side. The side is a lateral. Okay. So actually, everything 12. In this case, how are you gonna find it? Okay, the volume of the cone shape. Okay, in this case, you need the base. You know that, right? Okay, so okay, I'm gonna write this one down like this one. The volume is 1/3 of prism or box shape. You know what I mean? Okay, so we call also cylinder, but 1/3 of the cylinder, which is okay, base times base area. So big letter B, which is the base area, times height. Okay, in this case you need the height. Okay, then divided by 3, 1/3.